Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about all the updates Samsung issued out for the devices throughout the month of May. And these are a lot of, and really primarily all of the Samsung apps that received updates and that we wanted to see happen for our Samsung Galaxy devices, because there was one specific update that was much needed, especially for the Galaxy A36. But devices as a whole, as Google and Samsung's partnership continue to tighten. And although we've already dropped a video talking about that, we'll briefly cover it in this video as well. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to like the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so I'll free that way you know our videos. So you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. Now let's get into the video. And of course, these are all screenshots. I did not, what the, okay, interesting. Let's go ahead and click on gallery. And what the, okay, so screen, oh, that's not what I wanted. Here we go. So I thought I was already in here. So as we see here, we see the Samsung Internet Browser received an update, and as we see, recommendation to close all tabs, fix bugs, and improve stability. So why Samsung, recommends you closing all your tabs is because it needs to close the tab. You have to reopen a new tab in order for those fixes and bugs to actually now work. And not just closing the app and reopening it because all your tabs are still roll in. You have to close the tab and reopen it, meaning maybe you won't actually fully receive all these updates until you make it through your tabs that you may have saved, because maybe you're waiting to purchase something. Maybe you have something that you just like to keep up to be able to respond to, so that way you don't always have to type in the website. Well, in this case, it's not a bad idea to close a tab, reopen it, to be able to experience those optimizations for the Samsung Internet Browser. Galaxy Enhance X also received an update, and it says slow-mo store banner image. It is the last image in the section Enhance X Store banners. So we see that there taking place. The Samsung Health Monitor received an update, and HomeUp also received an update. Fold and tablet devices have been added to HomeUp support, fixed floating taskbar display bug, and fixed other bugs. So it's good to see that HomeUp now officially works for phones and tablets. If only this worked while I have my Z Fold 6, so that way I can show you guys what I have going on my display here. And this is as a result of using HomeUp, especially or specifically the DIY tool, because this allows you to position stuff wherever you want to. So if I want to put my time there, so that way it's kind of out of the way, I can do that, and it's no longer set to anywhere in particular. That's why I have my clock or my calendar widget right there far off to the side, and I have this one far off to the left side because of how it's already centered within the widget. And so that just allows you to do kind of cool things like that. If I wanted to, I think I can also do like diagonal stuff with it, like, or maybe not. So there's certain things, maybe it's stickers that you can do that with. But I think I want to go ahead. No, I want you off center. So there you go. So that's what DIY looks like in the new HomeUp. And now you can experience this with folds and tablets. If we swipe on over, the Samsung account got some more optimizations, probably security enhancements, because we want to make sure that our accounts are as secure and protected as possible. Samsung account received another update the next day, and then Memory Guardian also got an update, being able to support One UI 7 now. And Memory Guardian gives you additional customization tools to personalize how you want your device to operate its RAM. Do you want quick switching mode where it loads more apps into RAM? Or do you want a quick top mode or top app mode where really maybe you don't use that many apps? And so you just really needed to prioritize one, very few apps at a time, but they're prioritized and highly optimized. Then Memory Garden got another update because maybe something went wrong and they had to address that. Then Shop Samsung always receiving updates in terms of deals that are coming through. We know the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge was dropping throughout this month, and so they were gearing up, getting ready for that, along with other promo deals for other devices. And then you have Link to Windows service. Theme Park received an update. Theme Park stability improvements, expanded selection of wallpapers and stickers, UI improvements, changed folder and app drawer icons for One UI 7. So it's good to see that there. And within Good Lock, Nice Shot also got updated. Add share to GTS menu and more option. Fix settings not applied issues in some devices. And then as you see some of those other ones, the Galaxy to share, that's what GTS stands for. It supports that. It started supporting that. And then showed selected color in the color selection menu as test and added Japanese language support. And then Audible for Samsung got updated as well. We see that Avatar Editor got updated, changed the name from AR Emoji Editor to Avatar Editor. And if you don't know where that you can find that, I believe it's in Yikes! Advanced features. Netflix and Audible Samsung also updated. So let's see if we can find it. I think it's in. Where are you at? Is it security and privacy, or is it really advanced features? I think it's advanced features, and as you see right there, Galaxy Avatar. This is what you can use to make you. And I made me, and as a result, if you scroll up, you'll see that that's the picture or one of the pictures I use for my avatar. And with that same avatar, you can even create like motion effects for like calls and stuff, so you can be dancing and whatnot when people call you, so you can change your profile card. That's something Samsung instituted with, oh my goodness. That's something that Samsung instituted with One UI 6.1 or 6.1.1 was profile cards, so you can get more customization. It's basically kind of like posters and stuff like that on iPhone, just for Galaxy. And so that's what got changed the name from AR Emoji to Avatar Editor. If we scroll, the Samsung phone had a bug fix that needed to be fixed, and then Samsung Smart Switch Mobile received an update. Wireless connection method updated, fixed bugs, and improved stability. And I think there's a tap to transfer feature that has been rolling out for Samsung devices as well to better improve and ease the transfer of data from one device to another, especially if you're switching phones. So it's good to see that Samsung is bringing those tools for us to use. Samsung Files got updated, and this is the update I was talking about here for Google Gemini. Google Gemini now added more contextual based recognition, meaning that you can use multiple apps to get things done. I've demonstrated in a previous app, but basically you can ask Gemini to search a YouTube video and then place the information in your Samsung Notes. So you can do stuff like that now. So that's pretty cool. And then if you have a favorite team, you can ask Gemini to look up that team's schedule and put the games in your calendar, and it'll do that as well. So that was a great update to see. If you guys want to see more and actually see more of me actually trying to use these new features, I have a video already up on the channel for you guys. And then we had the Google Play System update, 13 megabytes, but it did not push it to May. I don't know why. Still on April. And then Samsung Wallet was optimized. Samsung Wallet was optimized again along with Samsung Checkout, meaning that they needed to do some optimizations for probably some security, some wonkiness, maybe some prolonged activity, trying to avoid some delays and whatnot. So good to see that our digital banking was improved. And that was pretty much it. I think that, at least for this device, that was May 27th. So between May 28th and May 31st, which is today, no other updates have been pushed out to Samsung Galaxy A36. Now, I do feel like some updates were pushed out to the Galaxy A53. So I don't know if this is a software thing or a phone dependent thing, but I have noticed Samsung can be inconsistent with what or when they update their apps for specific devices. So keep that in mind, but that's what I've noticed with the Galaxy A36 for the month of May. This is the last day of May as recording this video. It's going to be interesting to see what happens in June and going forward in 2025 for Samsung Galaxy devices and what they have in store for us. So let me know down in the comment section below if you received any of these updates and what you guys think about these updates. Should Samsung update their apps more often? The comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to like the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so all free. That way you never miss my videos. So you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. Don't forget to hit that super thanks button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's where they keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. But your man Micah signing out until the next video. Wait for it.